Hello, this is Suraj Anand, chemistry wala, and Suraj Anand teaching. Today I am going to teach you the pH of salt solution, chapter number 2. When a salt is dissolved in water, it splits up into the acid and the base from which it is formed. The process is called the hydrolysis of salt. So, when a salt is dissolved in water, when a salt is dissolved in water, it splits up into the acid and the base from which it is formed. The process is called hydrolysis of salt. Hydrolysis is the reverse of neutralization, like base salt plus water, acid plus base. The pH of the salt solution depends upon the nature of the acid and the base formed when the salt is dissolved in water. When the salt of a strong acid and a weak base gives acidic solution, pH is less than 7. For example, ammonium chloride when dissolved in water, hydrolysis to give ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. This is all about the pH of salt solution. Next one is the the hydrochloric is a strong acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. It means if you are going to say the hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. It gives you the strongness of the acid. Due to the higher the H plus ion concentration, the lower the pH value. We already read these things in the previous topic. So my dear student, I am going to make it clear. I am going to make it clear the hydrolysis of salts, and we are discussing the topic. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Hydrochloric acid is the explanation of this reaction. Strong acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. It ionizes more or less completely. It ionizes more or less completely to give large number of H plus ions, whereas ammonium hydroxide is ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. So ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, and therefore it ionizes to a small extent, and therefore it ionizes to a small extent. Giving a small number of OH minus ions. Giving a small number of OH minus ions. So my dear student, therefore as the number of H plus, as the number of H plus aqueous ion हो गया ions is greater than the number of H plus aqueous is greater than the number of OH minus aqueous ions, the solution is acidic. So my dear student, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid ionized more or less completely to give large number of HOS plus ions, whereas ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. And therefore it ionizes to a small extent, giving a small number of OH minus ions. Therefore, as the number of H plus ion is greater than the minus OH minus ion, the solution is acidic. Second